How to create TikTok account. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. In this video, we are going to teach you how to create TikTok account. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, open TikTok app. Now here, we have to agree terms and policies of TikTok. So tap on agree and continue. Before signing up, you can choose your interested topic for which TikTok will recommend you for the videos to watch, or you can skip for now. Here we come to homepage of TikTok. To sign up for a new account, first tap on profile which is present in bottom right of the screen. As we don't have an account, to create an account, click on sign up which is labeled in red color. We can sign up for TikTok using our Facebook or Google account or our phone number or email. For now, we are using our email, so tap on email. You can use your phone number, but we are using email, so enter your email address. After entering email address, tap on continue. Now create a strong password using given specification. Make sure not to provide your password to others. After creating password, tap on next. Now enter your date of birth. Now you can create a nickname of your own, or you can skip as TikTok will automatically assign you a nickname. As of now, we are creating our own nickname. Now tap on confirm and your account is created successfully. This is how you create TikTok account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us for more helpful tutorial videos.